gonna be making something really fun and cool to make since we're all bored and stuck in quarantine.
So today we're gonna be making easy brownies. These brownies are so fun and easy to make. First, you have to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Next, you're gonna need maple syrup, salt, vanilla, baking soda, 1 egg, 2 eggs, a large mixing bowl, some cocoa powder, some sugar, and some almond flour.
First, you're gonna need 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. That you need to lightly mix or whisk the stuff in the bowl. Then you're gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla
And 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Next, you're gonna add 2 eggs, and mix all of that together. After that, you're gonna add 2/3 a cup of cocoa powder. As she keeps mixing that.
Wow, that looks really good.
Okay, that's half of it. We're gonna add a little at a time. So it should look a little like chocolate pudding when it's almost done. Then you're gonna add more. I'm getting everywhere. Okay, a little more, and I'm gonna mix it. Okay. Next, you're gonna add it into any kind of cake pan or pan you like. We'll see you when this is done.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below which one is your favorite cake flavor. Also, follow our Instagram and our TikTok, both in the description below.
Bye!
Back to where we came from.